Unwinding the Clock. Understanding after work hours. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common but often misunderstood phrase in English, after work hours. This term is not just a measure of time but a reflection of culture and work-life balance. So, let's dive in and clear up any confusion. After work hours refers to the period of time after one's official working hours have ended for the day. This is the time typically reserved for personal activities, relaxation, or spending time with family and friends. The specific hours can vary depending on one's job, but they generally fall in the evening. In different cultures, after work hours can hold various significance. For some, it's a time for leisure and unwinding, while for others, it might still involve socializing with colleagues or clients. Understanding this phrase also involves recognizing the cultural norms and work-life balance in different societies. Let's see after work hours in action. 1. She usually takes a yoga class during her after-work hours. 2. The city comes alive in the after-work hours, with restaurants and cafes bustling with people. A common misconception is that after-work hours are universally fixed, like 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. However, this period can vary greatly among individuals, professions, and cultures. It's important not to assume a standardized time frame when discussing or planning activities during these hours. And that's a wrap on after work hours. Remember, this term is more than just a part of the day. It's a window into how individuals balance work, personal life, and cultural interactions. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase and its nuances. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language content.